Before it's too late, take action on these 5 reasons why your legs are weakening after the age of 60. Are you experiencing increased fatigue, shakiness, or weakness in your legs? Do you have trouble standing for extended periods of time or climbing stairs? The startling reality is that weak legs are more than just a typical aspect of aging. They frequently indicate that your body is losing vital nutrition, circulation, or power. Ignoring it might worsen the situation, resulting in potentially fatal complications, a loss of independence, and even perilous falls. Don't worry though. You can take easy, efficient measures to regain your strength and move with confidence once you comprehend the hidden reasons of leg weakness. Let's find out the top 5 causes of leg weakness and how to address them before it's too late. The content offered is meant exclusively for educational purposes and should not be interpreted as medical advice. One major reason is muscle loss, a condition known as sarcopenia. As we get older, our muscles naturally shrink and weaken. This process actually begins in our 30s, but after the age of 60, it speeds up significantly. If you're not actively working to maintain muscle strength, you could lose up to 30% of your muscle mass by your 80s. This loss affects your legs more than you might think. Everyday tasks like standing up from a chair, walking a few blocks, or climbing a flight of stairs can begin to feel like exhausting challenges. You may notice your thighs and calves becoming thinner, your legs feeling heavy, or experiencing fatigue after just a short stroll. The good news is that sarcopenia isn't something you just have to accept. You can slow it down and even reverse some of it with regular, gentle strength training. Exercises like chair squats, seated leg lifts, or simple resistance band routines can gradually rebuild your leg muscles. Protein is essential too. Include lean meats, eggs, fish, dairy, legumes, and nuts in your meals to support muscle repair. Don't underestimate the power of movement either. Even 10 to 15 minutes of daily walking can stimulate muscle activity and prevent further weakening. Poor circulation, particularly from a condition known as peripheral artery disease, or PAD, is another prevalent but frequently disregarded cause. Poor circulation may be the cause if you frequently get chilly, numb, or cramping sensations in your legs while you walk. Plaque accumulation in the arteries causes PAD by obstructing blood flow to the lower body. Your legs get weak, weary, and cramp quickly when blood flow isn't adequate. In extreme situations, it may also result in infections or wounds that heal slowly because they aren't given enough oxygen and nutrients. After standing for a long time, you may find that your legs feel heavy or tingly, or you may experience calves that hurt less when you sit down. To help improve circulation, try walking daily. Even short walks around your home make a difference. Drink plenty of water and reduce your salt intake to avoid swelling. Warm foot soaks, gentle massages, and elevating your legs can also help promote better blood flow. And if symptoms persist, consult your doctor. Left untreated, PAD can increase your risk of heart disease and stroke. Nerve damage is another serious cause of leg weakness, especially in older adults. If your legs or feet often feel numb, tingly, or like they're burning, or if it feels like you're walking on a sponge, you could be dealing with peripheral neuropathy. This condition affects about 1 in 3 seniors, especially those with diabetes or vitamin deficiencies. Over time, high blood sugar levels damage the nerves, particularly in the feet and legs. Additionally, low levels of vitamin B12, which is critical for nerve health, can lead to similar problems. If left untreated, neuropathy can worsen, leading to balance issues and increasing the risk of falls. To support your nerves, keep your blood sugar under control and eat a B12-rich diet that includes eggs, dairy, fish, and leafy greens. Avoid excessive alcohol, which can further damage nerves. Gentle massages of the legs and feet can improve circulation and ease discomfort. If you continue to feel numbness, don't ignore it. It's important to get tested and begin treatment early to prevent progression. Problems in the spine are another hidden but major cause of leg weakness. You might not connect your lower back to your leg strength, but the spine plays a critical role in how well your legs function. Conditions like herniated discs, spinal stenosis, or years of poor posture can compress the nerves in your lower back, causing pain, numbness, and weakness in your legs. If you've ever felt pain radiating from your lower back down one leg, or noticed one leg suddenly feeling weaker than the other, it could be a spinal issue. These problems can cause leg muscles to weaken simply because the nerves that control them are being pinched. To help your spine and avoid nerve compression, try gentle stretches like the knee to chest stretch or seated spinal twists. Avoid sitting for long periods as this puts pressure on your lower back. Use a lumbar support cushion and get up every 30 minutes to move around. A healthy spine supports a strong lower body, so taking care of your back is essential for maintaining leg strength. Finally, an electrolyte imbalance, especially a deficiency in magnesium or potassium, can leave your legs feeling weak, shaky, or prone to cramps. Have you ever had a leg cramp suddenly wake you up at night? That may be your body's way of signaling it's missing key minerals. Potassium and magnesium are essential for proper muscle contraction and nerve function. Without enough potassium, you may experience muscle spasms, fatigue, or even irregular heart rhythms. A lack of magnesium can cause twitching, restlessness, or feelings of anxiety. These imbalances can result from dehydration, certain medications like diuretics, or a poor diet. To restore balance, increase your intake of potassium-rich foods like bananas, oranges, spinach, sweet potatoes, and avocados. For magnesium, try adding almonds, whole grains, beans, and even a small square of dark chocolate to your diet. Staying well hydrated is also important, as dehydration can make these deficiencies worse. If you often deal with cramps at night, try soaking in a warm Epsom salt bath before bed. The magnesium in the salts can be absorbed through your skin and help your muscles relax, reducing the risk of cramps and discomfort. Take action today. Weak legs are not just a minor inconvenience. They are your body's way of asking for help. Whether the cause is muscle loss, poor circulation, nerve damage, spinal issues, or an electrolyte imbalance, there are simple and natural steps you can take to feel stronger again. Start today. Move your body daily, even if it's just for 5 minutes. Eat more protein and nutrient-rich foods to rebuild your muscles. Drink more water and balance your mineral intake to avoid weakness and cramps. Check your posture and spine health to support nerve function. Walk each day to improve blood flow and prevent leg fatigue. Don't wait until it's too late. If you found this information helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs stronger, healthier legs. Let us know in the comments which of these reasons surprised you the most.